The kitchen is the heart of the home, where culinary creativity comes to life, but cooking can often feel like a daunting task without the right tools. Whether you're an experienced chef or a beginner in the kitchen, having the right kitchen essentials can make a significant difference. With the rise of online shopping, Amazon has become a go-to platform for discovering innovative and practical kitchen gadgets that simplify cooking. Here, we've rounded up 20 Amazon kitchen essentials that will elevate your cooking experience and help you prepare meals with ease. But before we dive into the list, don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe so you never miss out on our upcoming videos. Number 20, Dash Rapid Egg Cooker. The Dash Rapid Egg Cooker is the perfect solution for anyone who loves eggs but doesn't want to spend time boiling them. This compact appliance can cook up to 6 eggs at once and offers different cooking options such as soft, medium, or hard-boiled. It's an excellent option for busy mornings when you need a quick and healthy breakfast. Number 19, Cork Cycle Triple Insulated Canteen. This insulated canteen from Cork Cycle is perfect for keeping your beverages at the ideal temperature. Whether you're making iced coffee, smoothies, or soup, this durable triple insulated bottle keeps drinks cold for up to 25 hours or hot for up to 12 hours. Its sleek design and variety of sizes make it both functional and stylish. Number 18, Pura Herb Saver Fresh Herb Keeper. If you love cooking with fresh herbs, the Pura Herb Saver Fresh Herb Keeper is a must-have. It stores herbs in a way that extends their freshness for up to 3 weeks. The innovative design features a water reservoir that keeps herbs hydrated so they last longer than if they were stored in a standard container. Number 17, Oxo Good Grips Swivel Peeler. This simple yet effective tool makes peeling vegetables and fruits a breeze. The Oxo Good Grips Swivel Peeler features a sharp stainless steel blade and a comfortable non-slip handle, making it easy to use for extended periods. It's perfect for peeling potatoes, carrots, apples, and more. Number 16, Anova Culinary Sous Vide Precision Cooker. For the serious home cook, the Anova Culinary Sous Vide Precision Cooker brings professional cooking into your kitchen. Sous vide cooking involves placing food in a vacuum-sealed bag and cooking it in a temperature-controlled water bath. The Anova cooker is highly rated for its precision, ease of use, and Bluetooth functionality, allowing you to control the cooking process from your phone. Number 15, Oxo Good Grips Potato Ricer. The Oxo Good Grips Potato Ricer makes mashing potatoes easier and smoother than ever. With its sturdy construction and comfortable handles, it can handle even the toughest potatoes. It's also great for making mashed sweet potatoes, gnocchi, or squeezing excess moisture from vegetables. Number 14, a Atexity Digital Kitchen Food Scale. Precision is key when it comes to cooking and baking, and the Atexity Digital Kitchen Food Scale is a great tool to ensure accuracy. With a sleek, compact design, this scale measures ingredients in grams, ounces, and pounds. Its tare function makes it easy to measure multiple ingredients in the same bowl, and it's easy to clean. Number 13, the original Bear Paws Shredding Claws. Shredding meat can be messy and time-consuming, but with the original Bear Paws Shredding Claws, it's a breeze. These durable, heat-resistant claws are perfect for shredding pulled pork, chicken, or beef. The ergonomic design allows for maximum control, and they work great for lifting hot items from the grill or oven. Number 12, Simple Human Stainless Steel Compost Bin. If you're looking to reduce food waste, the Simple Human Stainless Steel Compost Bin is a stylish and practical addition to your kitchen. With a sturdy steel body and a tight-fitting lid, it keeps odors at bay while you collect scraps. The bin is also designed for easy cleaning and includes a filter to reduce smells. Number 11, Lipper International Bamboo Cutting Board. A high-quality cutting board is essential for any kitchen, and the Lipper International Bamboo Cutting Board is a fantastic option. Made from durable bamboo, this cutting board is gentle on knives, preventing them from dulling. It's lightweight, easy to clean, and eco-friendly, making it a great choice for everyday use. Number 10, Cheffen Freshforce Citrus Juicer. If you love adding fresh citrus juice to your dishes or drinks, the Cheffen Freshforce Citrus Juicer is a must-have. This easy-to-use juicer ensures maximum juice extraction from lemons, limes, and oranges. The unique dual-gear mechanism makes it more efficient than traditional citrus juicers, and it's easy to clean. Number 9, Hamilton Beach 10-Cup Food Processor. For those looking for a more budget-friendly option, the Hamilton Beach 10-Cup Food Processor is an excellent alternative. It is compact yet still powerful enough to chop, slice, shred, and knead dough. The included reversible slicing, shredding, sliding disc and bowl scraper add to its versatility, making it an essential tool for everyday use. Number 8. Breville Smart Oven Air Fryer. An air fryer has become a modern kitchen essential, and the Breville Smart Oven Air Fryer takes it a step further by offering an oven-style appliance that can bake, broil, roast, and air fry. With multiple cooking functions, it provides endless possibilities for making healthier versions of your favorite fried foods, as well as baking, roasting, and toasting. Number 7. Keurig K Elite Coffee Maker. Start your day with a cup of freshly brewed coffee from the Keurig K Elite Coffee Maker. This versatile machine lets you brew a variety of coffee sizes, from a small 4-ounce cup to a large 12-ounce mug. It also features a strong brew option for those who like their coffee bold and robust. Number 6. Joseph Nesting Bowls. This set of nesting bowls from Joseph is perfect for saving space in your kitchen. The set includes mixing bowls, a colander, and a sieve, all of which nest neatly inside one another. The non-slip bases ensure stability while mixing, and the easy pour spouts help prevent messes when transferring ingredients. Number 5. Zylus Lock and Lift Can Opener. Opening cans doesn't have to be a struggle. The Zylus Lock and Lift Can Opener makes the process effortless with its ergonomic handle and lock and lift feature. It removes lids safely without sharp edges, making it a practical and safe addition to any kitchen. Number 4. Cuisinart 14-Cup Food Processor. The Cuisinart Food Processor is a workhorse in the kitchen. With its powerful motor and multiple attachments, it can chop, slice, dice, shred, and puree ingredients with ease. This 14-cup model is perfect for preparing large batches of food, whether you're making sauces, soups, or preparing vegetables for a big dinner. Number 3. Lodge Preseasoned Cast Iron Skillet. A cast iron skillet is a kitchen staple that every home cook should own. The Lodge Preseasoned Cast Iron Skillet is durable, versatile, and perfect for everything from frying and searing to baking. Its even heat distribution ensures food is cooked to perfection, and its pre-seasoned surface means you can start cooking right away. Number 2. Oxo Good Grips 3-in-1. Avocado Slicer. If you love avocados but hate the hassle of cutting them, this 3-in-1 tool from Oxo is a game changer. It allows you to split, pit, and slice your avocado with ease. Its ergonomic design ensures comfort, while its sharp blade ensures smooth cutting. It's a must-have for anyone who enjoys making guacamole or adding avocado slices to dishes. Number 1. Instant Pot Duo 7-in-1 Electric Pressure Cooker. The Instant Pot has revolutionized cooking, making it easier and faster. This 7-in-1 appliance acts as a pressure cooker, slow cooker, rice cooker, steamer, saute pan, yogurt maker, and even a food warmer. With its pre-programmed settings, it takes the guesswork out of cooking, allowing you to create meals in a fraction of the time it would take using traditional methods. Thank you guys for watching. If you want more videos like this, make sure to like the video and hit subscribe button, and we'll see you in the next video.